Hello, good morning students. Welcome back with your chemistry teacher Rajkumar Juppa sir, and today we will learn about the various type of the common organic reactions. In that we will discuss the various type of the chemical reactions, and these reactions are very helpful for learning you the organic chemistry in the 11th class, because these reactions are and their mechanisms are utilized during while you are studying the organic chemistry. So watch this video carefully and learn it a lot and do practice with these reactions. Now today's topic is substitution reaction. This is our first topic, substitution reaction. What is the substitution reaction? The reaction in which a atom or group of atom is replaced by another atom or group of atom. This is known as the substitution. Substitution means replacement of atom or group of atom. Substitution reactions के अंदर स्टूडेंट एक एटम और ग्रुप ऑफ एटम को किसी दूसरे एटम या ग्रुप ऑफ एटम से बदल देना ही सब्स्टिट्यूशन होता है. इसमें आप सब्स्टिट्यूशन के अलग अलग टाइप और प्रकार स्टडी करेंगे. इन दैट दिस ऑफ द थ्री टाइप. First is the nucleophilic substitution reaction, second is the electrophilic substitution reaction, third is the free radical substitution reaction. Now first we study about the nucleophilic substitution reaction. The nucleophilic substitution reaction means the substitution reaction which is carried out by the nucleophile, and these nucleophilic substitution reactions are mainly utilized in alkyl halide, and this is the first chapter in your 12th class. In that you will use the nucleophilic substitution reaction. In that we have to take an alkyl halide. This is bromomethane and this is a hydroxyl group, and it is polar in nature, and this hydroxyl, it is act as a electrophile. This is act as a electrophile, and these electrophiles will do the rare attack on this positively charged carbon atom, and because this is a negative charge. इस रिएक्शन में बच्चों ये जो मिथाइल ग्रुप है ये पॉजिटिवली चार्ज है और ये जो न्यूक्लियोफाइल है ये नेगेटिवली चार्ज है. ये जो न्यूक्लियोफाइल है आपका इस कार्बन पर रेयर अटैक करेगा, एंड इट कैरिड आउट द सब्स्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. In that this negatively charged nucleophile remove this negatively charged bromine ion. The strong nucleophile will displace or remove the weak nucleophile. This is the example of nucleophilic substitution reaction. These are mainly employed in alkyl halide. Second type of the chemical reaction in this is the electrophilic substitution reaction. In the electrophilic substitution reactions are generally employed in arenes or in benzene. Electrophilic substitution reaction. In electrophilic substitution reaction is electrophile carried out the substitution reaction. It is act as a substituent which replace the atom or group of atom. The common type of chemical reaction, in that we will study the sulfonation, halogenation and nitration of the alkane. Now look at the example. We study halogenation. This is a benzene and this is react with chlorine in the presence of anhydrous ferric chloride. This anhydrous ferric chloride is act as a Lewis acid and it will generate the electrophile. How it is? This is a chlorine and this is ferric chloride. This is deficient in electron, it is 6 electron in the valence shell. So chlorine negative ion join with this and it is form FeCl4 negative and it will generate a positively charged chlorine ion that is known as a electrophile. This electrophile will reach to this benzene this way. The electron will transfer here. It will join here. A positively charge will be appear on this carbon. This positive charge is removed by relieving this proton and it is changed to a chlorobenzene. This is a electrophilic substitution reaction because chlorine is act as a electrophile in that replace this substitute this hydrogen. That is known as the electrophilic substitution reaction. Why it is known as the electrophilic substitution reaction? Because it is carried out by a electrophile. This is a electrophile. This is known as the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now after this we will study about the substitution reaction carried out by the free radical. This is known as the free radical substitution reaction. Free radical substitution reaction. In that the substitution reaction is carried out by a free radical, and this type of the chemical reactions are mainly chloride carried out in alkane. This type of free radical substitution reactions are carried out in alkane. Just like we will take the example of methane chlorination. This reaction is carried out in the presence of HV rays, sunlight, and it produces methyl chloride and HCl is formed. Now how this reaction is carried out? This reaction is carried out by the free radical mechanism. In that first step is the chain initiation step. Initiation, it means starting up of reaction. This is a chlorine in presence of HV rays. This covalent bond is break down and it produces chlorine free radical. These chlorine free radicals undergo a second step that is known as the propagation step. It undergo second step, propagation step. In that this methyl group react with this chlorine free radical and it generate a free radical. It form HCl and along with it produce methyl free radical. This methyl free radical react with chlorine free radical gives methyl chloride. This is the second step. This reaction is again repeat again and again because chlorine free radical again act on this methyl group methane molecule and it produces HCl and methyl free radical. This methyl free radical react with chlorine free radical change to the chloromethane. This step, second step, is repeat again and again. And when we want to stop this reaction, this will reach to the chain terminating step. This will be reached to the chain terminating step. Third step. What will happen in the chain terminating step? A chlorine free radical. This is third step. That is known as the termination step. In that, a chlorine free radical react with chlorine free radical change to the chlorine molecule. This is the one possibility. Another possibility is that in that a methyl free radical react with another methyl free radical and it is changed to the ethane molecules. These are the three types of the substitution reactions: nucleophilic substitution reaction, electrophilic substitution reaction, and free radical substitution reaction. Now student, in this series the second type of the chemical reaction, that is the addition reaction. What is the addition reaction? The reaction in which two reagents combine to form a single product is known as the addition reactions, and these reactions are typical to the compound that has the carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond. And this addition reaction are of the three types: nucleophilic addition reaction, electrophilic addition reaction, and free radical addition reaction. Now first we study about the nucleophilic addition reaction. The nucleophilic addition reaction, in which the addition is carried out by the nucleophile in the presence of a nucleophile, and these nucleophilic addition reactions are common to the aldehydes and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone. In that, first we carried out of the hydration cyanation of the aldehydes and ketone, that is known as the cyanohydrin addition reaction. In that, first we take a HCN hydrogen cyanide, and this is react with the hydroxyl group. This is a nucleophile. This is become negatively charged and this is become positively charged, and a water form and a nucleophile is generated. Cyanide ion act as a nucleophile, and this nucleophile will be attack on a aldehyde. This has become negatively charged and this become positively charged. Example, I take the example of ethanol. This is cyanide ion. This will be attacked at this position, and it will produce cyanohydrins. That is known as the cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrins are formed. These reactions are carried out both in aldehyde and ketone, because this is the HCN, this is hydroxyl group, this form water, and cyanide ion. This is act as a nucleophile, and this will be attack on this positively charged carbon, and it form cyanohydrin. This is the nucleophilic addition reaction. After this, we will study about the electrophilic addition reaction. Electrophilic addition reaction. The addition reaction which is carried out by the electrophile is known as the electrophilic addition reaction, and these reactions are common to alkene and alkynes. Alkene and alkynes. Now first we take the example of a propene. Reaction with HBr, and this is transfer of the electron. These reactions are carried out according to the Markinov rule. What is Markinov rule? Markinov rule states that the negative part of the additum goes to that carbon of a carbon-carbon double bond that has the less number of the hydrogen. This bromine ion will shift here and proton will be react at this position. Now it form 2-bromo propane is formed. 2-bromo propane is formed. This Markinov rule is number of time used in organic chemistry when we react with a mineral acid to the alkene. The negative part of the additum goes to that carbon-carbon double bond that has the less number of the hydrogen. This is known as the 2-bromo propane. What is the mechanism of the reaction? How this reaction is carried out? Let us see how this reaction is carried out. This is propane and this is a proton electrophile from acid. This is HBr. This is give H positive plus Br negative. This is a proton from a acid. The electron will be transferred to this proton and this hydrogen will attach to this carbon. It form a secondary carbocation. If this hydrogen attached to this carbon, it forms secondary carbocation. If this hydrogen attached to this carbon, it form a primary carbocation. Which type of carbocation is more stable? Secondary carbocation is more stable. That's why we will take this reaction intermediates. Now this secondary carbocation will be attacked by this bromine ion and it form 2-bromo propane. It form 2-bromo propane, and this is a electrophilic addition reaction because in this reaction first electrophile is add up, that is coming from the acid. This is known as the electrophilic addition reaction. After this we will study in that the third type of reaction, that is free radical addition reaction. The addition reaction which is carried out by a free radical, that is known as the free radical addition reaction, and this type of the reactions are carried out in alkenes. Now student, in this we will take the reaction of alkene, propene with HBr in the presence of a peroxide, and this reaction happen only in the presence of the peroxide and it is carried out by anti-Markinov's rule. In what is the anti-Markinov rules? In that the negative part of the additum, though additum goes to that carbon-carbon double bond that has the more number of the hydrogen. तो आप देख रहे हो, you can see this at carbon there is only one hydrogen, and at this carbon there is only two hydrogens. This is the product. This bromopropane is formed. What is the mechanism of the reaction? How will we generate the free radicals? Now first we take a peroxide. This is a Zernal peroxide, and this is known as the initiation step, initiation of the reaction. And that this is oxygen peroxide bond is break up now, and it form alkoxy free radical. Now this alkoxy free radical is react with the HBr. It form ROH, alcohol, and a bromine free radical is generated now. It will undergo second step. It will undergo second step. This is known as the propagation step. Let us see this second step. This is alkene. This pi bond is break up now, and this bromine will join to this carbon. Why join to this carbon? Because it forms secondary carbocation, secondary free radical. Sorry, this is secondary free radical is formed. And this secondary free radical is more stable than that of the primary free radicals. Now this secondary free radical react with HBr. This bond will break now on this carbon. Now it form bromopropane and bromine free radical. Now students, bromine free radical is produced now. We reach to the third step, that is known as the termination step. In that a bromine free radical join with another bromine free radical and change to the bromine gas. This is the free radical addition reaction. In this video we will study two type of the reaction. First is the substitution reaction, and second is the addition reaction. We will continue the same in our next video. And why I not teach you all the type of the reaction in the same video? Because it increase the length of the video. Okay, watch this video and make your notes. Thank you. Have a nice day.